How to use GPS Map Camera. Let's go. First, open the app. Whenever you capture a photo using this app, it automatically adds your location, full address, date, and time to the image. If you open the photo in the gallery, you can clearly see where the photo was taken, along with complete address details. It also shows which camera was used, and full location information is displayed at the bottom. This app also provides several useful options. In the Settings section, you can change the language, capture photos using the volume button, adjust touch and focus settings, manage email settings, set image quality. For image quality, medium provides lower quality, low gives the poorest quality. I recommend selecting high for the best results. Another excellent feature is Image on the Map, available at the fourth option. When you tap on it, after a short loading time, it shows where each photo was captured on the map. You can view complete details of all your images. By tapping on the first option, you get advanced camera features like image ratio, grid guide, timer, focus, manual and mirror options, camera sound, white balance, scene mode, camera level. So friends, this is how you can easily use the GPS Map Camera app on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.